working on promoting basic educational literacy under a mission called Teach Mission. Teach acronym andre T and the teacher support, E and the e-learning, A and the adult literacy, C and the child development, H and the happy school. Under the child development program, migrant laborers children are out of school because they migrate from northeastern states as well as from Bengal and Nepal. And they come to Bangalore in search of better prospects. Unfortunately, children are the victim of such movement because they cannot go to school because they don't know Kannada if they have to enroll themselves in local schools. So we, along with the Samriddhi Trust, an NGO, we are providing a bridge school facility for these children through this mobile bridge school. This mobile bridge school will go to the construction site or the community where these migrant laborers live, and the children come to this bridge school and they are taught in languages, in maths, in science and social studies, so that for 1 year, after 1 year, these children are enrolled back into the regular mainstream school. Generally, these children, since they don't know the language, we also teach them Kannada language also, so that the children also become proficient in both English as well as Kannada, and they will be ready to join the regular school. Once they join the regular school, during evening hours, they have to also given what's called after school training, so that they get proficient in all the languages right up to 8th grade. We put them on the finishing school where they give them lifestyle learnings so that they can get into the university as competent like our own children. That's the aim of this project. So bringing the school nearer to the children rather than children going to the school, because these children are trapped in construction sites as well as the tenements which are out of the city area. Thank you.
Sir, please tell your name, sir. Name.
I am Rajendra Rai, past district governor of Rotary District 3192. We are doing this project through the sponsorship of Rotary Club of RMB. They are the main sponsors of this club.
Okay, sir. Sir, you continue, sir.
So I belong to Rotary Bangalore Rajmahal Villas. I've been a member from past 29 years. These are the different kind of projects what we do. This is one of its kind. As of now, we have just started the first van we are providing to make sure that children are given the necessary education as required. They don't lose out because they are children of migrant workers. So this is one of the first van which we have just started with. We look for doing more such things, more such provisions for those that particular society of that migrant workers, where we can give them as much as benefit, especially on the education field. That is what our aim is, and we look to do more such projects in future. Thank you.
Your name,
My
sir.
name is Kirti Mehta, Rotarian Kirti Mehta. As I said, 29 years from Rotary Bangalore Rajmahal Villas, I've been a member.
Okay, sir.